Hello viewers, today we are solving this algebraic problem, so let's start. We have x is equal to 2 plus square root 3 and we have to find x cube plus 1 over x cube. And for that we will take first x cube plus 1 over x cubes formula. So it will be solved by cubic formula, according which whole cube of x plus 1 over x is equal to x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times x times 1 over x times x plus 1 over x. It means whole cube of x plus 1 over x is equal to x cube plus 1 over x cube. Here x will be divided by x, so 3 times x plus 1 over x. To find that cubic formula, we have to find x plus 1 over x's value. And for that we know x is equal to 2 plus square root 3. Then 1 over x will be equal to 1 over 2 plus square root 3. As square root is not likable in denominator, so we will solve 1 over x's value by taking reciprocals. It means 1 over 2 plus square root 3 times 2 minus square root 3 over 2 minus square root 3. It becomes 1 time 2 minus square root 3 over 2's square minus square root 3's square. It means 2 minus square root 3 over 2's square becomes 4 minus, here square root and square will be cancelled, so it means 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we can say 1 over x is equal to 2 minus square root 3. Now we have x's value and 1 over x's value. So we can find x plus 1 over x by substituting these values. So x plus 1 over x is equal to x's value 2 plus square root 3 plus 2 minus square root 3, which is 1 over x's value. Here 3 will be subtracted by 3. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. It means x plus 1 over x is equal to 4. Now we can put that value of x plus 1 over x in our cubic formula. It means 4's cube, x plus 1 over x is value 4. So 4's cube is equal to x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times 4. It means x cube 4's cube becomes 64 is equal to x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 times 4 means 12. X cube plus 1 over x cube is equal to 64 minus 12. X cube plus 1 over x cube is equal to 52. That's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and keep watching.